In this quick presentation, we'll explore various organic feeding methods for cucumbers, peppers, tomatoes, and other vegetables. Our plant feed is designed for small gardens, but can easily be adapted for larger areas. Each component can be used on its own or in combination. Before we dive into the details of the feed, here are a few useful tips. Choosing the optimal location for planting cucumbers is essential, as they require abundant sunlight. High quality, well-drained soil rich in organic matter is crucial for successful growth. The first step in fertilizing is adding 300 milliliters of whey to 1 liter of warm water. Whey contains calcium and beneficial lactic acid bacteria that nourish the soil and strengthen the root system. It is diluted with water and used as a natural liquid fertilizer or leaf spray. It helps protect plants from fungal diseases and improves the microbial balance of the soil. Next, we add a banana peel. Banana peel is rich in potassium, phosphorus, and magnesium, which are important for flowering and fruit formation. It can be chopped and buried in the soil, added to compost, or turned into a liquid fertilizer. Regular use improves soil structure and increases plant resistance to disease. Finally, let's add a bit of rolled oats. They're a source of nitrogen and natural carbohydrates that feed beneficial microorganisms in the soil. They are added directly to the soil or compost in moderate amounts. They promote plant growth and naturally improve soil fertility. Leave all ingredients soaked in warm water for 24 hours, then strain and dilute with several liters of water. Apply this fertilizer 3 times during the season, 10 days after planting, during flowering, and after the fruits appear. Dear friends, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. We share free tips every day. Thank you for watching and see you soon.